if you're rich and healthy in Nigeria, you may not understand what many other people are going through. Behind me is a hospital that I went for treatment for the past 3 days. I had an accident and I had fracture on my neck and one of my legs. For 3 days, I could not get proper medical attention with all the money paid. With all the money paid. The right doctors are supposed to attend to me. The make doctor travel abroad for greener pasture. Leaving people in the hands of quack doctors and nurse Eliza, quack nurses. And for 3 days, I could not get what I paid for, including the x-ray, because there was no light. The rich will be sick and fly themselves abroad to seek for medical attention. Most of the hospitals we have in Nigeria are mere mortuaries. And that is why people are dying every day. And our leaders do not care. Our leaders do not care. Those who destroy this country do not care about what people are going through. You need to see the number of people that are dying every day because of lack of proper medical attention. All they know about is money, collecting money without proper medications, with fake drugs, without equipment, and government do not care. We have yet another opportunity by next year to vote another leader. Where is Peter Obi? Where is Peter Obi? Where is Peter Obi? Where is Peter Obi? Give us Peter Obi before all of us will die in this country. Oh.